Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Teardown once again, and we have a new monster. Well, we have our first monster, and fists, and a lot more. Oh, I have an AK. I don't even know all the things I have, but today we're just going to pull up my pickaxe, and we're gonna kill Sonic. Let's see, does he have any abilities? I think this little says a Harvey Davidson. These are unreliable. I can't even. There. Come on, Harley. Good. Okay, there. This is the chosen one. Like it's been done. Okay, go! Get Sonic! Oh, why is he made of glass? Oh, he's made of glass! Oh, that's bomb. That's a lot of bombs. That's a lot of bombs. I pinned him. One sec, let me just... Wah. Wah wah. Oh no, this is his ability! Ah! No, it's not. I have a new dynamite. Okay, so these sports cars, I think, work really well. I don't know vehicles. I just like trucks. Okay. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. I would have survived. What if I just... What is that? Yeah, he's just made of glass. You're only made of glass? Really? That's pitiful. Yeah. I like AKs. Guys, yeah. I'm gonna, fall. Fall, Sonic. Well, we got rid of Sonic. Let's restart real quick. I have a. There we go. Oh wow, it's Sonic. He's back again. We're not doing the Harvey or Harley. Sorry. Bumper cars. This is the fastest it goes. Okay. I'm gonna drink my soda. Get him. I'm gonna get him. Nope. Ooh, that does not sound good. Okay. Let's do this truck. The weird little battery box. Oh, I played a map with this truck. Battery box explodes. So. Ah! Boom! I hit his toes. Oh. Got his toes. Okay. How am I gonna turn this into an entire video? I didn't know he was gonna be made out of glass. Close that up. Yeah, I'm gonna make Sonic move. Country. Oh, it's so loud. Why is he made of glass? That's it. There. I got rid of glass Sonic. He's over there now. Here's what's left of glass Sonic. That's man, this map is sad. I really thought there'd be more to it. Okay, I'm just gonna blast that I thought these would do way more damage. Well, what do I have that does damage? Ah, my fist. Fist of fear. Yeet! Oh yeah, that worked! I can just pick up cars! Oh, this is the big boy. Whoop! Oh. See this? Oh wait, this is the van from the actual like reason for the game existing. This is the van. You're supposed to like destroy stuff and like not get caught by the police. But who likes that? This is why I play. I play this version. You know, mods. Stop darn darn me. You know? I'm just gonna strap you to that. That's it. Never do it. Oh, you know it'll do some damage? Me spamming pipe bombs. I have a really fun button on my gaming mouse called like a fire key or something, and it makes me throw things way faster than I could with the actual mouse. Look. With the left click, with the fire key. Oh, plus left clicks. Okay. Fire key. Crud. Fire key. And very slow. Or boom. Put it up that was my kick. There we go. You know what? I think I'm just gonna end this video here. There's not much I can really do. Will this seriously have to be like one of my shorts videos? Really? I gotta figure out how to make these. I don't know how. No, wait, it's this one. No! That was my favorite video. Well, I guess I'm just gonna end it here once I figure out how. Goodbye.